Today, you will see how to create free AI text to video and image to video with amazing Kling AI. It's a really flexible video generation tool, and as you can see, it can handle videos of different types and styles. Daily, you can create 6 free videos on one account, or if you want more, you can buy either the paid version or create more accounts. First, go to klinga.com, link in description. You may notice that you have 66 credits for 24 hours. If you spend them, next day you will get 66 free credits again. Creating one video costs 10 credits. Click on AI videos, and first we will show how text to video works. Write whatever comes to your mind in the prompt. For example, dog with sunglasses in the pool. In the settings tab is slider to control creativity and relevance. The higher the slider is, the more the video follows a prompt, and the lower the slider is, the more freedom the video generator has to create what it wants. You can create in standard mode, which is faster, or in professional mode, which makes better quality videos, but is paid. If you use the free version, we can create videos 5 seconds long. If you use the paid version, you can create videos up to 10 seconds long. You have 3 options to choose from aspect ratio: horizontal, vertical, square. Below that is the option to adding a camera movement. For example, let's choose the zoom effect. This slider controls zooming in or zooming out. Gray box is the outline of the first frame, and the teal box outlines the final frame. Below that, you have a negative prompt where you can write things you don't want in your video. For example, deform, low resolution, blurry, and similar. It has already happened to me that the video was generated in 20 seconds, but also in 20 minutes. You can still see on the video that it was created using AI, but it still looks quite high quality. If you would like even better quality videos, you can try the paid version. If you want to download the video, below it is a button for it. I noticed that if we create things from the real world, these videos are usually in good quality, but a couple of times happened to me when it wasn't quite what I imagined. But despite these unsuccessful versions, I managed to make quite a few high-quality videos. Now we'll show you the second way to create a video: image to videos. Click drop or paste image here, and in the prompt you can write what you expect to happen in the picture. For example, let's say that this woman in the photo will be cuddling with a dog. So we write it there and let it be generated. The settings work the same as for text to video, so we won't discuss them in detail. The aspect ratio of the video will be the same as the aspect ratio of the image. Or if you have an image that you want to animate, you don't need to write any prompt, just press generate and you will get results similar to these. Many times you will get a result that you will like, but even here it happened to me that it didn't always turn out according to my ideas. For example, I wanted this woman to wave, but the attempts turned out quite comically and tragically at the same time. It is possible that the paid version would achieve better quality. But even in the unpaid version, I got a lot of high-quality videos, as you could already see. But if you decide that you need more than the free version will prove to you, point the mouse at professional mode and click Upgrade to Premium. Click on the monthly payment, and for either $10 or $5, depending on the discount you have, you can test the premium and create better and longer videos. Personally, I rate the application quite well. I would give it 7.5 out of 10, and that's because it offers 6 free generated videos per day. These videos are usually of good quality, but sometimes you don't get what you want, and I would appreciate it if even free users could use professional mode. For example, for 3 times the credits for one generation, but they can't. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.